In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade the hard drive in a Sony PlayStation 4 to a Toshiba Q300 or Q300 Pro solid-state drive. Not only is it easy to do, but it'll greatly increase the speed of your PS4's drive. First, open the PS4's side panel. You can see the original hard drive here. Take out this screw and slide the drive tray out of the PS4. Remove the screws from the tray and slide the drive out of the tray. Now insert the Toshiba Q300 or Q300 Pro solid-state drive into the tray and screw in the screws. Slide the tray into the PS4 and replace the screw you removed earlier. Once you put the panel back, you're all done. It's that easy. I hope this helped you to upgrade your PS4's hard drive. For more information, visit support.toshiba.com.